So TMA has been, on multiple levels, been monumental in providing opportunities for our students and then for our graduates as well.
The impact of the TMA and TMA Educational Foundation has been astronomical. I mean, you can't undersell how much they've done. From helping us get off the ground.
This program was started and it got on its way, but as any school's finances are a struggle. So I knew of the foundation since I am an instructor at TMA, and I wrote a grant to the foundation in order to be able to bring in CNC machines, and not only just normal CNCs, but top of the line CNCs to my students. As you'll see when you take a tour here, the equipment is just like in a factory. So I was able to bring full-size industry machines in here so that my students can get direct hands-on skills that'll prepare them to be manufacturers of the future.
Acme Industry benefits greatly from the Education Foundation by getting a robust pool of talent from the high school level up. As we all know, there's a great labor shortage for skilled machinists, and that's something that our company is looking for always. To have a organization that supports the education of youth coming up through the manufacturing ranks is a great benefit to our company as well as many other small businesses here in the Chicago area.
Taking these classes at the school here have really helped me kind of open my eyes a bit wider to the possibilities. Like the tours I've done through these school programs, they've helped me see just how much we actually do with machining in the world around us.
I like that it gives me a break from just sitting at a desk and being lectured at. I can get up, be on my feet, move around, and actually see something that I'm working on take form instead of an equation that I don't know if I got right or wrong.
I think they're very important because not a lot of high school offer general engineering classes, and this is what gets people interested in engineering and can shape their future. And especially people that don't want to go to college, they have a lot of opportunities to go working after high school.
So it's a blessing to be able to provide them with fully skilled employees that they know have the solid foundation that they need so that they can then grow them into true employable people for them in their company.